Unlock the power to organize and display your Squarespace content like never before with the universal filter. First, ensure you have content that requires filtering. This could be blog posts, portfolio items, or any structured collection. Navigate to your website's dashboard and head to the Pages panel. Select the page where you want to implement the filter. This is often a blog page, portfolio, or an index page that displays multiple items. Within your page settings, look for the Advanced tab. This is where the magic happens. You'll find the Universal Filter option. Enable this by toggling the switch. Now you'll see options to configure your filter. Choose which page elements the filter should apply to. This could be your blog posts, events, or product listings. Next, decide how you want to filter your content. You can filter by existing categories, tags, or even custom data fields you've added to your content. Select the criteria that best suits your needs. The Universal Filter automatically generates a user-friendly interface on your live site, allowing visitors to easily sort and find exactly what they're looking for. For instance, if you're filtering blog posts by tags, visitors can click on a tag like tutorials to see only posts related to that topic. This significantly enhances content discoverability. Experiment with different filter combinations to create the most intuitive experience for your audience. It's a powerful tool for dynamic content organization. Master the Squarespace Universal Filter and make your website more interactive and searchable today.